आप सभी का मेरे LIC अवेयरनेस चैनल पे स्वागत है। मैं रूपाली तिवारी। आप सभी का जैसे कि एक जनरल सा या कॉमन क्वेश्चन होता है सभी पॉलिसी धारकों का कि हम अपने बॉन्ड LIC बॉन्ड के अगेंस्ट लोन कैसे ले सकते हैं। उसको लेके कुछ जनरल क्वेश्चन होते हैं, जैसे कितना समय लगेगा, क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स होने चाहिए, क्या सिबिल स्कोर होना चाहिए और प्रोसेस में क्या समय लगेगा। तो इन सारे क्वेश्चन को देखते हुए एक वीडियो के माध्यम से आपको समझाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, जिसे कि आप अपनी उचित कमेंट जो भी राय हो आपकी कमेंट्स बॉक्स में मुझे दें। धन्यवाद।
A loan against your LIC policy is simply borrowing money from LIC, secured by your policy's surrender value. You don't have to submit income proof or credit history, making it an easy and hassle-free solution for urgent cash needs. You can apply for this loan once your policy completes at least 1 year and acquires a surrender value. This means at least 1 full year's premium has been paid. Let's take a popular example, LIC's new endowment plan, plan number 714. Here's how it works. The loan amount is a percentage of the policy's surrender value. If your policy is active, in force, you can borrow up to 50% of the surrender value if less than 2 full years' premiums are paid, and up to 75% after 2 full premiums. If your policy is paid up, you get up to 40% of the surrender value initially, which rises to 65% after 2 years' premiums. For instance, if your policy's surrender value is 2 lakhs rupee after paying to premiums, your maximum loan amount could be up to 1,50,000 rupees, 75%. The current interest rate for LIC policy loans is 9.5% per annum. This is simple interest calculated yearly. Unlike personal loans, there's no fixed EMI, you just pay interest annually. The principal can be repaid anytime during the policy term. Here's what you must know. If interest isn't paid regularly and your outstanding loan plus interest exceeds the surrender value, LIC can foreclose your policy. In case of maturity, death, or surrender, any outstanding loan and interest will be deducted from your claim amount. Regularly monitor your loan status to avoid surprises. Applying online is easy. 1. Log into the LIC customer portal. 2. Select online loan and choose your eligible policy. 3. Submit your loan request and confirm. You can also easily pay your interest and track loan status online via the LIC customer portal. If you prefer the offline route, visit your LIC branch. Submit the loan form along with your original policy document. Receive your loan amount by bank transfer or check. Always